Hits. Hits touch shocked, which are slaps. Like, this song still slaps. Slaps. It slaps. Okay? Hit. Third person hits. Bring one's hand or a tool or a weapon into contact with someone or something quickly and forcefully. Number one. Accidentally strike part of one's body against something. Strike, slap, smack, cuff, punch, beat, trash, THRASH, thump, THUMP, thump. Batter, belabor, drub, DRUB. Hook, pound, smash, slam, welt, pummel, hammer, bang, knock, swat, whip, flog, cane, sucker punch, rain blows on. Give someone a good beating. Give someone a good drubbing. Back someone's ears. Whack, wallop, bash, beef, BIFF. Bop, clout, CLOUT. Clip, clobber, sock, swipe, crown, lick. Beat the living daylights out of. Give someone a good hiding. Belt, tan, lay one on, lay into, pitch into, lace into, let someone have it, knock into the middle of next week. Lamb, womp, WHOMP. Deck, DECK, deck. Floor, zonk, stick one on, dot, slosh, twat, TWAT. Welly, slug, buff, bust, BUST, bust. Whale, dong, quilt, QUILT, quilt. King hit with a dash. King hit. Smite. 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 Swinge. Baste. BASTE. Buffet. BUFFET. Number 2. Of a moving object or body come into contact with someone or something stationary quickly and forcefully. Come into contact with quickly and forcefully. Crash into, run into, bang into, smash into, smack into, knock into, bump into, cannon into, blow into, PLOW, blow into, collide with, meet head on, impact, barrel into. Of a missile or a person aiming one. Strike, a target. Number 1. Be suddenly and vividly realized by. Occur to, strike, dawn on, come to, enter one's mind. Enter one's head. Cross one's mind. Come to mind, spring to mind. Flash across one's mind. Come into one's consciousness. Cause harm or distress to. Number 1. Of a disaster. Number 1. Occur in, number one, of a disaster. Occur in and cause damage to an area suddenly. Affect badly, devastate, damage, harm, hurt, ruin, leave a mark on, have a negative effect on, have a negative impact on, have a negative impact on, do harm to, impinge on, imping, impinge on, upset, shatter, shock, hindi, shock, crush, overwhelm, traumatize, touch, make suffer, knock back, knock for six, knock sideways, knock the stuffing out of, knock the stuffing out of. Reach a particular level, point, or figure. Number one, be affected by be affected by an unfortunate and unexpected circumstance or event. Number one, reach, attain, touch, arrive at, get to, rise to, climb to, achieve, accomplish, gain, secure. Plural noun, hits. An instance of striking or being struck. Number one, a verbal attack. Jibe, G-I-B-E, jibe. Taunt, jeer, sneer, barb, cutting remark, barb remark, B-A-R-B-E-D, barb remark. Attack, insult, dig, put down, crack, wisecrack. Number two, a murder, typically one planned and carried out by a criminal organization. Blow, thump, punch, knock, bang, thwack, T-H-W-A-C-K. Box, cuff, slap, smack, spank, tap, crack, stroke, welt, impact, collision, bump, crash, whack, wallop, bash, belt, beef, B-I-F-F, clout, suck, swipe, clip, C-L-I-P, clip, clobber, C-L-O-B-B-E-R, slush, buff, B-O-F-F, buff, bust, slug, whale, dong, buffet. A successful venture, especially a film, pop record, or song. Number one, a successful and popular person or thing. Success, box office success. Box office with a dash. Box office success. Sell out, winner. Triumph, sensation. Sensation. Bestseller. Tour de force. Tour de force. Knockout, no space. Crowd puller with a dash. Smash hit, smasher. Superheat, no space. Cracker, wow, biggie, B-I-G-G-I-E. Touched or gratified, feeling gratified. Give someone pleasure or satisfaction. Number one, indulge or satisfy a desire. Satisfy, fulfill, indulge, relieve, humor, comply with, pander to, cater to, Give in to, quench, slake, satiate, pacify, appease, assuage, provide for, feed, accommodate. Full adjectives. Satisfied, pleased, happy, delighted, contented, content, glad, joyful, elated, 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 blissful, joyous, jubilant, exultant, thrilled, triumphant, triumphant, overjoyed, fulfilled, jovial, grateful, comforted, gleeful, cheerful, tickled, exhilarated, thankful, over the moon, satiated, tickled pink, merry, chuffed, chuffed, euphoric, appeased, buoyant, buoy, buoyant, buoyant, cheery, ecstatic, untroubled, jolly, sunny, proud, in seventh heaven, radiant, comfortable, carefree, smiling, beaming, charmed, rapturous, grinning, gladdened, blessed, beatific, beatific, jumping for joy, cock a hoop, chirpy, mirthful, walking on air, jocular, indulged, peaceful, pleased as sponge, in high spirits, as pleased as sponge, shock or shocked, cause someone to feel surprised and upset. Number one, offend the moral feelings of outrage, appall, horrify, scandalize, outrage, repel, revolt, disgust, nauseate, sicken, offend, give offense to, traumatize, make someone's blood run cold, distress, upset, perturb, disturb, disquiet, unsettle, discompose, agitate, stun, shock, stagger, astonish, amaze, startle, surprise, dumbfound, dumbfound, daze, shake up, jolt, set someone back on their heels, take aback, throw, unnerve, is disconcert, bewilder,